Walking Dead. Fear the Walking Dead. Night of the Living Dead. What do all these titles have in common? That's right. Zombies! Okay, but there's only one zombie in my house, and that is the original. The Big Kahuna, the granddaddy of all tiki drinks, and it's called, of course, the zombie. Hello, this is Dr. Frankenstein here. We're going to make a witch's brew. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. And the reason I'm wearing this is because I don't have a devil outfit. Now, I wanted to include this in my Halloween cocktail episodes, but frankly, this is probably better known as the original tiki cocktail. This drink was invented by Donn Beach, who owned a Hollywood tiki bar called Donn the Beachcomber, very famous, you may have heard of it. And he painstakingly came up with this recipe for a zombie, and the only people that knew how to make it were him, Donn Beach, and his bartending staff, who wrote it down, sworn to secrecy, and that was it. And then it morphed into all kinds of different types of zombie recipes that were not even close to the original, but this is the original recipe that I got from, that's right, Beach Bum Barry, who is the world authority on tiki drinks right now, and he actually got his hands on one of the notebooks that one of the original bartenders from Donn the Beachcomber had in his pocket, and that's where this recipe came from. Yes, it's called a zombie, and the reason it's called a zombie is because if you drink 2 of these, you will turn into a zombie. So I'm warning you now, this is a very strong drink with a ton of ingredients, but don't get intimidated. You can do this, and boy, will you be happy because it's delicious. Here's what you're gonna need. Okay, first of all, some fresh lime juice right there. Second of all, you're going to need something called Falernum. Falernum, okay, never heard of Falernum. Well, I hadn't either. But Falernum is kind of a key ingredient to most tiki drinks. It's an incredible mix of almond, star anise, clove, and some other wonderful flavors going on. And you can really find it in a lot of liquor stores, grocery stores, online. You can find it online. So then you're also going to need some gold rum, some white rum, and some, yes, 151 rum. Okay, 151, that is 151 proof. It's strong. Then you're going to need some grenadine. Then you're going to need either Herb Saint or Pernod, a liqueur that has kind of a black licorice flavor to it, an anisette flavor to it. So you can use Herb Saint, I'm using that, or Pernod. Then a little bit of Angostura bitters, and this is Donn Beach's actual mix. This was the toughest thing to find, okay? The recipe for this is super easy. It's 2 parts of fresh grapefruit juice and 1 part of cinnamon simple syrup. And you can find the recipe for cinnamon simple syrup by checking out Kevin's Bar Tips number 3. Let's make this bad boy, shall we? I'll get these all out of the way so that we can work. All right, you're going to need a shaker filled with ice. First thing you're going to need is 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice, okay? That goes right in there. And then you're going to need 1/2 an ounce of the Falernum, which I've already portioned out there. That goes right in there. Then you're going to need 1.5 ounces of the gold rum. Okay, 1.5 there. And then you're going to need 1.5 of the white rum. Yeah, I told you, this is gonna get you there. And then 1 ounce, just 1 ounce of the 151 rum, because 1 ounce is enough for anybody, okay? So 1 little ounce right in there. Okay, then you're going to need 1 teaspoon of grenadine. That goes right in there. And then the Herb Saint or the Pernod. You're going to need 6 drops. Now, if you don't have a dropper, a little eyedropper there, you can just do 1/8 of a teaspoon, okay? So it's not a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you know, when they said 6 drops, I was like, well, what's that gonna do? It's not gonna add any flavor at all. Guess what? It really does. You can really get a little bit of that black licorice in there. Really cool. And then you're going to need 1 dash of Angostura bitters. All right. And then 1 ounce of Donn's secret mix that I made myself. And that goes right in there. And that's it. So now let's shake this up and get serious about turning into a zombie. Then you're going to need a tall cocktail glass. The taller the better, or a tiki glass if you have it. I'm going to use this guy right here. And here we go. Look at that. A little bit of orange, a little bit of red from the grenadine. Perfection. That, my friends, is a zombie. You put some lovely mint garnish in there. A nice orange straw. Look at that. Matches orange and red straw right in there. And this is what dreams are made of. No! Man, that's good. It's really good. You'd think it would taste like booze just hitting you, like slapping you across the face, but it doesn't. It doesn't taste like a strong alcohol drink because there are so many interesting flavors going on. You've got the Falernum with the almond. You really get the almond and the clove in there. And then, of course, you got the tanginess from Donn's mix because of that fresh grapefruit juice. And then you get that cinnamon hit from the cinnamon simple syrup. I'm telling you, this has got so much going on. Oh, it tastes so good. It's so refreshing. I don't normally use a straw, but for this, oh, I have to. I'm telling you, I want you to try this. I hope you enjoy it. I think you will. It's worth the ingredients because you'll use a lot of these ingredients in a lot of other cocktails. I was really surprised. I was like, Falernum, when am I going to use that? You'd be surprised. There's a lot of drinks you can use that in. And same with the herb saint. Anyway, it's worth it. It's so good. It'll impress your friends, although make sure they Uber, and really enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it, you don't like it, if you change something, but I hope you enjoy it. So happy Halloween, happy Tiki party, and enjoy it. Zombie, fear the walking dead. Oh. If they have this, it ain't so bad, right?